Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming you installed Equalizer Apo version 1.3.0 or newer for 2025 compatibility. Open Programs and Features to verify the installed version number and installer date. Next, verify your Windows audio host supports Apo by checking sound settings and preferring WASAPI or kernel streaming where available. Reboot after installation and confirm the Apo service runs in services MSC for stability. Also check that your audio device is listed in the configuration editor as enabled. If the device is missing, the installation or driver security policy likely blocked Apo. Open the configuration editor and enable the target device, then save the config file to apply changes. Ensure you install the latest audio driver from the OEM and restart the PC. Prefer OEM drivers over generic Windows drivers. In sound settings, open the device properties and uncheck exclusive mode to allow Apo processing for shared audio applications. If using virtual audio cable or voice meter, set Apo on the virtual device as well and restart those apps. Finally, verify that the preamplifier and filters show activity in the editor when audio plays. If problems persist, collect diagnostic logs using Debug View or Event Viewer to capture Equalizer Apo errors and device messages. Temporarily disable third-party audio effects such as Nahimic, Sonic Studio, or Realtek audio utilities because they can hijack Apo processing. Run the Equalizer Apo configurator with admin rights and reapply your device selection to reset access control lists and permissions. Check C/program files /equalizer Apo /config. Log for parsing errors and correct any syntax issues in your config. TXT. Finally, if necessary, uninstall, delete leftover config files, and perform a fresh install with reboot between steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.